sa inyo mga kaibigan? What's good? And for today's video, samahan nyo ako for another tour, and this time around, nandito tayo sa Batanes of the East. Siyempre, walang iba kundi sa Dingalan. Ako, napakaganda siyempre ng Dingalan. Siyempre, samahan nyo ako, lilibot ko kayo dito sa boat tour na to, and I'm pretty sure magagandahan din kayo. Bago ang ating tour, para sa ating mga kaibigan na mahilig dyan mag-Mobile Legend, huwag niyong kalimutan na i-follow ang ating Tambay TV page sa Facebook. Yes, nako, para sa mga aspiring players natin dyan na gustong sumubok ng kanilang kagalingan, i-follow natin Tambay TV page syempre sa Facebook. At syempre, nako, mabalik na nga tayo dito sa ating tour in 3, 2, 1, let's go!
I've heard the rumor, I've heard the talk on the town.
Tayo sa Bigan City. Dahil ba ito lang? And mula na po nandito tayo sa Hidden Garden.
Makakula mga kaibigan!
Mula sa Maynila, aabutin ng 4 hanggang 5 oras ang biyahe papuntang Dingalan Feeder Port.
I've been there, but I have to stay afloat. It's nicer. Be a person you don't want. Can somebody take me of the thing going to do? Where is a life I
Mula dito ay sasakay ng bangka.
live in? I don't know.
Mga 15 to 20 minutes aabutin ang boat ride papunta sa kanilang White Beach.
If it's gonna live in, I don't know. I don't wanna grow. Just with myself.
Mula naman dito sa White Beach ay mag-hike tayo ng 30 minutes papunta sa kanilang Mountain View and another 30 minutes papunta sa kanilang lighthouse.
With myself. I don't wanna grow. Let things I left behind me.
Yon, so nandito na tayo sa summit, sa Mountain View ng Dingalan. Yes, napakaganda ng ating mountain view. Although, pagpasensyahan nyo na yung audio, I'm pretty sure hindi gano'ng kagandahan dahil sa sobrang lakas ng hangin. And because of that nga, hindi tayo makapagpalipad ng drone. But still, napakaganda ng, syempre, ng ating mountain view dito nga sa Dingalan, Batanes of the East. And still, mamaya pupunta pa tayo doon syempre sa ating lighthouse. Hopefully, hindi malakas ang hangin para syempre kahit papaano makapagpalipad tayo ng drone para makapakita ko sa inyo yung buong isla. Kaya stay tuned kayo dyan. Syempre, lilibot ko kayo dito in 3, 2, 1, let's go!
Eyes in the sky, gazing far into the night. I raise my hand to the fire, but it's no use, 'cause you can't stop it from shining through. It's true, baby, let the light shine through. If you believe it's true, baby, won't you let the light shine through for you, 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 won't you let the light shine through.
Matapos ang mahigit isang oras na hike, siguradong gugutumin ka. Kaya naman, ano pang hinihintay? Kainan na! At syempre, pwede pa naman nating palagpasin ang kanilang White Beach.
Let's take it slow. Where you go, I go too. And if you hit the bottom, I'm going down with you. Let's take it slow. Who cares where we gotta be? You know you'll have a good time wherever you're with me. Let's take it slow. Ask me how we got here, 'cause you don't know how. You say we're taking on water. water, yeah, we're sinking now. You're looking all concerned, like we're gonna drown. But we both know how to swim, no worries as we're falling now. Let's take it slow, where you go, I go too. And if you hit the bottom, I'm going down with you. Let's take it slow, who cares where we gotta be?
Hindi pa dyan natatapos ang ating adventure. Mga kalahating oras mula sa Dingalan Feeder Port ang ating sunod na destinasyon, ang Tanawan Falls.
Day breaks and I'm burned by the morning light. I make the same mistake more than twice. Same song, but brand new dance. I wear out my third second chance. You take my breath and I can't get it back. Might be time for me to face the facts. The best me is with you, but I know I got a lot to prove. They think we're too damaged to fix, but we're just working through a little rust. They like to say we're just young, but I know we won't give this up. Sometimes I lose my mind, and some days it's hard to find the reason why you stay by my side. You and I break our hearts open in half, just to see if we'll put them back. No matter what they try, I'll stay by your side. It's you and I. It's you and I. We go back and forth every time, waiting for one of us to cross the line. You got me and I got you, and we got a lot to prove. They think we're too damaged to fix, but we're just working through a little rust. They like to say we're just young, but I know we won't give this up. Sometimes I lose my mind, and some days it's hard to find the reason why you stay by my side.